So basically when you type in Google Payeer, it brings you to this screen, and then obviously you'll have to sign up. It's very easy. All you have to do is put in your email, security code, tick the box, and you on your way to being signed up. As soon as you signed up, we'll have to log in. So let me quickly log in. As soon as you logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. So from here, before you start with anything, before you start adding any funds, we need to go here to settings, your profile, personal information. You need to make sure all of this is correct according to your ID. Remember that, it's important. Mobile number needs to be verified, as and your email obviously. Okay. Down here you need to enter your country, date of birth, and your ID or passport number, and confirm this. Okay. Then go back to dashboard. When you start adding funds, we go here, add funds, and you use Visa, you will be able to add your funds immediately. Okay, with a obviously there's some charges, commission gate charge and Payeer charge. Okay, the funds will be deducted from your account immediately, but on Payeer's side they need to verify you first. Okay, so as soon as you confirm the amount that you want to transfer to Payeer, they will ask you to send a photo of yourself, your passport, and your Visa card. Okay, make sure it's close enough, someone takes the photo close enough of all of it so they can make out your names on your card and your passport, and then take a secondary photo of the passport and the card from very close. Okay, by doing this you won't have any issues getting the card verified and seeing the amount in your Payeer account. The other thing you have to do is you have to take your account number, write it down on an A4 paper in big letters so it's clearly visible, and you need to take your passport or ID. Okay, and yeah, you need to do exactly the same. You need to have your Payeer account in your one hand and your passport or ID in the other hand. Okay, with your face obviously in the middle, and taking the photo like that. After taking that photo, you take another picture of your Payeer account and your passport or ID from close range, so that they can make out all the numbers. Otherwise, when I started, I had to resend documents 3 or 4 times before it was accepted. So this is very important. Okay, as soon as your money is loaded, then you can send it wherever you need to send it. So on my side, I use Payeer and Payza to transfer my funds to wherever I need them. So in the next video we'll be starting my series on for that base, and it's gonna be a cracker. You don't want to miss out on those. I think this year is gonna be the year we're gonna change lives, and I hope you. Thanks, guys.